This thing changed my entire life. I swear, guys, I never felt so peaceful, so calm in my whole life, in my entire life. This is such an incredible thing. It's a miracle for me. This is my morning routine. So, without further ado, let's get started. Basically, I've been doing this from 3 months now, and it's been like discovering something new every day, every morning. I cannot describe this feeling, I cannot explain this feeling to you all. When you guys do this, you will know how that you know feels. It gives a sense of happiness. It makes you feel like uh, you know this morning and this day is better, and it makes you feel like your life is good, like really good. And if you feel like your life is good, your day is good, your entire 24 hours are going to be like very good, because you have this feeling in the morning, right? So I'm really excited to share this video with you all and this experience with you all. And also I'm a bit nervous because I've never spoken like in the public about my morning routine or my personal life. So let's get started. So firstly, what I do is in the morning, basically I do my prayers, and after that I do these two things. First one is thankfulness, or you can call as gratefulness. So you can tell me like how do you do thankfulness and gratefulness? Like sometimes we have the feeling like why should we be like thankful? We like what we want, we don't get it. Like why we have to be thankful to life and thankful to anything else? But if you see from your some other perspective, you feel like this universe, it's you're grateful for this universe. You have that feeling literally, and that feeling is the best feeling. I tell you guys, it's the best feeling. So thankfulness, what I do is I go to my balcony or terrace, whatever. So I go there and I stand in front of the nature, and as I live on the very top floor, so I am a bit closer to nature. So I go there, I stand, and I look at the sky, look at the nature and all the beautiful things. And every day I feel and I discover something new, like to be grateful for. For example, the wind is blowing and it's touching my face. At that time, to sense that wind also, it's a thing to be grateful. I'm sensing that wind as it passes, as it passes through my face. I'm able to sense that. Isn't it like a thing to be grateful? Like, what if I was not able to sense that wind? What if I was not able to sense anything? Like, would I be grateful at that moment? No, right? So every day there are many things I've noted down. uh, I've literally noted down everything which I felt, and which were so soothing and so relaxing for me. And the second thing is guided meditation. I learned this from Jay Shetty, and it's like since then I'm just loving this, like really loving this. So Jay Shetty thought a sound called a meditation called sound meditation. So in this meditation, what we got to do is like we just need to close our eyes for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we just listen to the voices around, the sounds around us. Like it may be anything, it may be birds, it may be vehicles, it may be people. There are so many things, like you can hear it. And the best part is you can notice exactly from where that sound is, like from where the sound is coming, how far it is, how near it is, all of that. Like, then you open your eyes, no, you can't just point out where exactly the sound is coming. एक बट बाय क्लोजिंग योर आइज यू कैन सेलेक्ट उस गली में आ रहा है, उस जगह पे यहाँ से आ रहा है, लेफ्ट से आ रहा है, राइट से आ रहा है, पीछे से आ रहा है. बट आफ्टर ओपनिंग योर आइज, you can't much like figure it out where exactly that sound is coming from. Like, this was kind of a breakthrough for me when I started doing this, and it was very, very, very peaceful and very soothing, and this like actually changed the perspective of my life. Really, I can't explain my feeling, how I felt while doing both of these. I was not so grateful for life, but no, this thing has literally changed my perspective, changed my thinking and everything. So I hope you guys try this once, and I hope this will be helpful for you. And that's it for today. See you in my next video. Until then, like, comment, share and subscribe.